Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to buy and sell crypto on the Coinbase app as a beginner. Coinbase is a trusted cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, trade, and stake in various cryptocurrencies. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Coinbase app and go to Trade. Here you will see 4 options: buy, sell, convert, and more. To purchase crypto on Coinbase, you click on the buy button. Here you can search for the token you want to buy, or you can scroll down to look for it. Let me search for USDT. Here you can do one-time order or recurring buy. Let me pick one-time order. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Click Pay With. You can use cash if you have already deposited your account via bank transfer, or you can use crypto to buy a different asset. To deposit cash, make an international SWIFT transfer to link your USD bank account. Deposits must be from a bank account in your name, limited to 3 deposits every 24 hours. Tap and copy account details, open your bank app or website, and pay the above account to deposit. Enjoy seamless crypto buying directly with your USD account. To sell crypto into another asset or fiat, you tap the Sell button. Select crypto you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell my Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to sell. Then you tap to where you want to put it. You can sell it for cash or other crypto. Let's say I want to sell it to Ethereum. Click Review Order. For this sell, there will be a Coinbase fee of 50 cents. Once you are decided, you tap Sell Now. You can also use the Convert feature. Select the crypto you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert my Ethereum to Bitcoin. Enter the amount and click Review Order. Here you will see the details of your order. Tap here to see the fee for the transaction. To convert my $190 worth of ETH to Bitcoin, there will be a Coinbase fee of 95 cents. If you are good with it, just click Convert Now. Awesome, my order has been submitted. That was easy and smooth. That's how you buy or sell crypto on Coinbase app. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.